Namaste to everyone. I, Dr. Mrinal Sarvagya, Research Professor at Reva University, congratulate Dr. Arjun Dave and Vedant Knowledge Systems for organizing such a grand event on Viksit Bharat at 2047. It is an honor to be a session chair for International Virtual Conference on From Tradition to Tomorrow. It is a great pleasure to go through the papers presented by students and academicians of various academic institutes. The first paper was presented by Smith Anjana and the title is The Requirement of Green Energy Sources. The paper nicely covers the importance of green energy sources and the reduction of non-renewable energy sources and its impact of energy use and conservation globally. I suggest the author to research further and give concrete ideas to materialize the concept of green energy in this field. The second paper presented by Viranj Kumar Kadia and the title is Melanoma Skin Cancer Detection Using Different Machine Learning Techniques. The paper focuses on development of machine learning model for pre-processing, segmentation, feature extraction and classification for the early detection of skin cancer. Various machine learning techniques such as support vector machine, sparse coding and convolution neural networks have been simulated and their accuracy is compared in this paper. Here I want to suggest the author to incorporate the real-time data with the help of professional medicos in this field. The third paper presented by Vasudha Datani. The title is Design and Monitoring Continuous Water Supply at Bileswarpura Kallol using Geoinformatics and EPINET software. In this paper, she has studied the design requirements of water distribution to allow their fair water supply in this specific area. The paper elaborately presents the model and analyzes the algorithms for water distribution in EPINET software. In this regard, I would suggest the author to make the model generic with inclusion of details and enhance the algorithm and its analysis. The fourth paper presented by Ronak Rana and Vals Christian, the title is Design and Manufacturing of Self-Operating Water Pump. The paper includes the design and development of self-operating water pump for irrigation and household applications. The design, fabrication and test results are presented in this paper. I suggest to look into the cost effectiveness of the model and the prototype of the water pump. The fifth paper presented by Ruchita Parekh and the title is A Study on Use of Manufactured Sand in Concrete. The paper explores the alternative material from industrial waste in place of river sand. The concrete mix design steps are presented to develop the alternative sand. I would suggest the researcher to expand the research on the performance parameters of the presented manufactured sand. I wish good luck to the researchers and presenters for their research and journey towards excellence. I am grateful to Dr. Arjun Dave to give me this opportunity to connect with you all. Best wishes for the upcoming event. Thank you everyone.